Guangzhou Micro Printing Company Limited, established in 2002. It is a professional supplier which engaged in a broad and comprehensive range of paper packing productions, such as chocolate boxes, folding gift boxes, cosmetic boxes, custom shape boxes, paper bags, paper tube, etc., and other paper-related printing productions like planner, notebook, posters, etc. Our cooperation factory covers 3,000 square meters with more than 50 well-trained workers. Our cooperation factory, strictly in accordance with ISO 9001 quality management system. Each process of the products are inspected by professional QC in order to provide super clear and high-quality goods. Have a strong comprehensive serviceability in producing, technology, and management. Most of our printing equipment are Germany, Heidelberg, and other well-known brands. Our company always is people-oriented, creating a harmonious working atmosphere, and actively strengthen technical training. All the raw materials meet environmental standards and got printing license issued by the government. Well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control enable us to guarantee customer satisfaction. Meticulous, fine printing, continuous improvement, customer satisfaction is our quality policy. In the future cooperation, we will carry forward our advantages, explore our potential to provide more and better services, value-added services, and one-stop service for our clients.